It's time for you to make a difference through the United Way. I'm Jill Horner. This is Comcast Local Edition. With me this hour is Bruce Akabuchi, board member and campaign chair for the United Way of Bucks County. Thanks for being with us, Bruce.
My pleasure, Jill.
Talk to us a little bit about the United Way of Bucks County. You work to serve a variety of different member agencies for a variety of different causes.
Absolutely. We support over 35 agencies with some tremendous programs that are really valued in today's society, and even more so now due to what's going on in the economy. So we're a great source of really finding ways to get good money into the communities. We run a lot of campaigns in the different corporations. As campaign chair, that's one of our challenges now, is to get more corporations active in running campaigns and improving the quality of the campaigns we do run.
When we talk about those campaigns, obviously people want to know where their contributions are going. You mentioned more than 35 different member agencies, but these are agencies that deal with things like child care issues or things like senior services.
Absolutely. Child care, senior care, literacy, homelessness. There's a lot of different programs, education, financial stability. And what's really powerful about our campaigns and the agencies is that once company or individuals get into these agencies and get the help of these agencies, oftentimes they get back on their feet and they become a contributing person in the community, which is really the goals of almost all of the agencies. So it's a good thing for us to do. It's a good thing for team members at the different corporations to do also.
You're obviously looking for new corporations to get involved
Absolutely.
and run their own workplace contribution campaigns, but you're also looking to businesses that already have these campaigns in existence to really work to expand and grow their own programs.
Absolutely. For those who already have campaigns, one of the most valuable things is to bring some agencies into your campaign. Let your team members hear what these agencies are doing. Once you do that, a lot of the employees would find that they know people, family, friends, neighbors, who have had the advantage of working with some of these agencies, and it makes their willingness to contribute even greater. In terms of new corporations contributing or running a campaign, I think in times like this, many CEOs might think, well, now's not a good time to ask my employees to contribute to campaigns. But I think, once again, if they know where their money's going, they're going to feel good about themselves. They're going to feel good about their company. Our company happens to match the contributions of our team members. Although that's not a requirement in running a campaign, I think it also sends a message to the employees about what your organization is about. It's
a really challenging environment right now in terms of generating revenue for nonprofits. Do you have a fundraising goal for this year?
We do. We're trying to beat last year's goal, which is a little over $2.4 million. I think we're pretty confident that we're going to be able to do it, but we're counting on obviously the existing campaigns and counting on getting some new campaigns running.
When we talk about the campaigns themselves, there's not really a lot required from employees of a corporation to really make a difference through the United Way, and there's no real minimum donation.
No, absolutely. We have some of our team members contribute $1 a week, which for them might be a significant sum, and we welcome people to contribute at those levels. Obviously, some people are in a situation that can contribute significant sums, and we appreciate that also. But it's really an across-the-board campaign. We welcome contributions from all levels of team members.
Do you also encourage corporations to really make it a fun event for their employees, to really make it a participatory thing that employees get excited about?
We do, and a lot of the campaigns are very much fun. I know some of my counterparts have been in dunk tanks, and if you contribute at certain levels, you can be the person to pull the switch to let them go down. So a lot of the companies have found some exciting ways to raise money and have fun at it at the same time.
The campaign's underway right now, so you're really looking for people to get involved. If businesses have questions about starting their own workplace campaign, they can visit your website or give you a call?
Absolutely, and the staff at the United Way, which is a limited staff, we're mostly a volunteer organization. We have 10 staff members and over 70 volunteers. But they are ready to come out and help you get a campaign started. It's really that easy.
All right, and our donation can make a difference in the lives of our friends and neighbors.
Absolutely.
Thanks for being with us, Bruce.
My pleasure.
We've been talking with Bruce Akabuchi. He is board member for the United Way of Bucks County. I'm Jill Horner.